Our Juliet, we got the best recipe. Our Juliet, we got the best recipe. Good day, everyone. Good day, wherever you are. Today we are making potato palm meat pie. Okay, before we start, as I always do, I will not forget to do that. I want to appreciate everyone, my viewers. You guys are wonderful. I appreciate you all for watching my video. Oh, my new subscribers, you guys are amazing. I love you all. God bless you all. Oh, my returning subscribers, God bless you. Let's start. We have our potatoes here. I peel it already. Okay. Let me see. So that I will have enough space to slice it. Okay. Share to your loved ones. Subscribe. Subscribe. Potato have the slice, okay? I'm going to pour it inside the pot. Okay. We leave it to cook. Okay. Share to your loved ones. Subscribe. Yeah. I have margarine here. You can use butter as well, okay? When you come to Juliet home, go home with the best. Fill your eyes with the best. The best recipe. Oh, yeah. Now I'm going to pour the onions inside, okay? I chop it already, okay? Share to your loved ones. Subscribe. Subscribe. Share to your loved ones. Subscribe. Now I'm going to add blend mix, okay? It's the best recipe. It's the best recipe. It's the best recipe. I will add nut cube. Okay. I'm using 1 nut cube. Okay. Paprika powder. You guys know I will not forget my ginger powder. Okay. I love garlic and ginger. Okay. Let me add garlic. I will add chili flakes. Okay. Okay. And salt to taste. That together. If you don't love spicy food, you can do away with the chili flakes, okay? This is yummy potato mix pie. So yummy. Let me leave it to cook a little, okay? Parsley here. I'm going to slice the parsley. If you love parsley, you can use parsley, okay?
Go hungry the best.
If you don't love parsley, you can do away with it. Because parsley is very good for the health. It's healthy. That is why I love using it. Okay, my beautiful people. Thank you. I love you all. I'm going to slide it this way, okay? Okay. The meat is ready. I'm going to pour the parsley inside, okay? And I will mix it together. Let me just leave it a little, 30 seconds. This after 30 seconds is ready. You see? We are done with this, okay? Now the potato is ready, okay? Let me remove it. Okay. This is the potatoes. I'm going to match it with this. I'm going to add margarine.
You get a best recipe. Subscribe.
If you notice before, when I cooked the potato, I didn't add salt. Now I'm going to add salt, okay?
Subscribe. Share to your loved ones. Subscribe. Share to your loved ones. Subscribe.
Now I'm going to add egg. I'm going to add 2 eggs. Depend on the quantity you have prepared, okay? I'm going to use 2 because my potatoes are much.
When you come to Juliet home, go hungry the best.
Now I will add a little flour, okay?
Fill your eyes with the best.
Okay.
The best recipe.
Place it here.
Subscribe.
Okay.
Share to your love.
For the meat. Okay. Cover it very well. Close it very well. Just try and close it the way you can.
Is the best recipe. You get the best recipe. Get the best recipe.
Okay. Check the other side and close it very well. That is it. You see? Let me add a little flour to cover here. Okay. This is perfect, okay? Put that aside and add a little flour and drop the dough here. Okay. Let me add okay. Try and cover it very well. Okay. Just try and cover it the way you can, okay? Okay, you add a little flour. That is it. That is it. Okay. It's very easy to close. Very easy. Okay. Wow, this is perfect. Perfect. This is it. See? This is it. Oil extra virgin inside the pan already, okay? You can as well use sunflower oil, okay? I'm going to drop it here.
When you come to Juliet's home, go home with the best. Fill your eyes with the best. The best recipe. Oh, yeah. Share to your loved ones. Subscribe.
When you are frying it, try and reduce your gas, okay? This is yummy. Now it's ready. Let me remove it. Do you see this? Our potato meat pie is ready, okay? Can't you see? So beautiful, my viewers. Just look at it. Wow, you see? This is great. Try this for your family. So yummy. Wow, look at it. Do you see this? This is great. I love it. Try this for your beautiful ones. Try this, my beautiful people. Try this for your family and you all will enjoy it. Thank you everyone. I really appreciate you all. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, you are still looking at me and watching my video, hey, as you are hearing my voice now, please press that subscribe button. And when you press it, don't forget to press the notification bell too. In case I load a new video, you will be the first to notify, okay? Like my video and share my video to your friends and family. Thank you everyone. Love you all. Bye.
You get the best recipe. At Juliet's home, you get the best recipe.